I've been creating low-poly 3D isometric arts for a year, and I decided to recreate my first work to see the progress. When I made this Khrushchevka, there are a lot of such buildings in Russia. So when I made this building, I wasn't sure that I would continue to create low-poly. I just wanted to create this certain diorama, as I saw a lot of low-poly 3D isometric works on Instagram and wanted to make something. Now I'm creating this diorama in Blender 3D, while my old work was created in Cinema 4D. I've been using Blender 3D for 6-7 months. Actually, that's more comfortable to create such works in Blender. So, if this video will get 1 million views, I will start to create low-poly using Maya. In my old work there is a car from YouTube tutorials that I watched. I couldn't create the car I wanted, but now I can. I decided to create the Lada 2107. It's one of the best cars for this location. Moreover, it's easy to create. I can't say that I'm really skilled at creating cars, but that's better than it was a year ago. I painted lighting from another project, Tire Service. Why not? It's looking great. Such buildings were built by the government from 1960s to 1980s. I saved the level of detail to make the artwork similar to the original. Despite that, my works usually have fewer details, they are more minimalistic. I try to achieve classic low-poly art look, but with some changes. In any case, it was fun to recreate my oldest work. This artwork is less colorful, but I prefer it more. On this channel you can watch the creation process of my low-poly 3D works and, moreover, tutorials how to create them. So if you want content like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And bye-bye! Today I'm going to create a cube